You wanna say goodbye before you sell them? Alright, what's going on, Kid family? Bully Kid checking in here with Kesso. And Kesso, man, this guy's disappointed at the wheel fitment, at the wheel design. He said those washers we put on suck, they vibrate. So we're going on the highway and he's really hoping these wheels fall off so he can sue me. But no, on a real note, guys, Kesso found a buyer for these wheels and we're pretty much doubling the price of the wheels from what he bought them for. So he bought them for $185 and someone's picking them up for $400. So we are actually, this is the next day since the install. We are meeting up that guy right now. We still got the wheels on the car, so if he's gonna want them, we're just gonna swap our factory wheels back on right there and then get those profits. So he's got the same blood that I do, where, you know, he just want to flip wheels and make money, and he's learning quickly, guys, because that was your first set of wheels, right? And you had him on for 1 day. Man, he's even gonna be better than me, man. So stay tuned, guys. You wanna say goodbye before you sell them? All right, homeboy just made a killing, bro. Let me see your hands, man. Why you ain't never wear gloves, bro?
That's for
women's. So the guy came by with a Prius and he's gonna be throwing them on a Prius, you know, no questions. $400 sold. So very nice first flip. I mean, you pretty much nailed 50% plus, man.
50%, yeah.
Yeah, but the problem is we did order those hub-centric ring adapters and we did order 3mm hub-centric spacers. So those we will have to probably sell somewhere else. Those cost us about, what, 40 bucks?
40 bucks, yeah.
Yeah, so 40 bucks short, but overall, great transaction, great trade. Still profiting. So right now we're gonna go get some Modelos and that's how we do it, man.
And tacos.
And tacos. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Keep trading wheels because people always are looking to get fitted. Oh, one more thing I wanted to say before we we end this video is that the fitment on this wheel wasn't the best, honestly. It was an okay fitment. We had to use those spacers in the front. So future wheels are probably going to be 17 by 8 or 8.5 inches wide, and we're going to look for offsets anywhere from 30 to 40 millimeter offsets. I think that's going to give it a more subtle appearance, fill the wheel gaps a little bit better. And the tire specs probably 225, 45, or 50s. Even if we're running the stock suspension, we want to fill that wheel gap with some tire. These looked a little bit stretchy and small, running only a 215, 45. All right, guys, and we got the mag washers. We got the receipts. Take a look at these, guys. I mean, I don't know if anybody used these before, but yeah, we're gonna return these, get our $10 back.
Don't use them.
Don't use these things, man. This is really ghetto. Really ghetto. It's like a crush washer for your train bolt, but we used it as a wheel bolt. But it does have a wheel on the picture right here, so I'm guessing that is what it's for. We'll do some more research on that and figure out for sure.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my